Hello, I'm Ellie for Edu4Java, and this is the tutorial number 7 of SQL. We're going to have a look in this tutorial at the SQL instruction update set. Okay, for this we're going to play with this table that I have here. This is the copy of the publisher table. We have 111, 222, 545, okay. All these numbers. Let's edit table and change this for 4444. Okay, save, apply, SQL, and here I have the data I wanted. Let's execute this and the result is okay. Let's use the instruction update. The update instruction has the following syntaxes. You can see it on the screen. First comes the update instruction, then the table we're going to modify. After comes the keyword set and a list of assignments. What is an assignment? Below you can see a list of assignments. Column 1 equals value 1, comma, but column 2 equals value 2, and so on. In square brackets you can see the instruction where. It's like the select instruction. You can describe a condition inside, as you can see, and is if like we did before. Let's do an example now. We're going to update with this the publisher 2 table. For this to work we have to choose the schema edu publisher 2. You could put edu first and it will also work. We are going to update publisher 2 table, set in the phone field. Here it says set the phone field. Phone is a string. So this has to be between quotation marks. We're going to replace 444 but for 54545. All could be replaced, but because I'm going to write where with ID publisher equals 4, like here it says, this means we're only going to replace ID publisher equals 4. This one is the one which is going to be modified. Okay, let's see now if it works. A message is written that everything is okay, and here you can see that the update has worked. As we're going to see now, we can modify two fields at the same time. We could do this, update publisher 2, that's the table, and in the same set we put the field phone with the new values 223, 344, and the name field we can change the lower case for an upper case. Here's in a lower case in the first word, and in the second word there's a uppercase, so we're going to change this one, so there's a difference. As the ID publisher is 4, the changes are only going to affect this ID publisher, this one, the number 4. Okay, let's execute and let's see what's happened. You can see that all share, okay, that says everything it's okay, and we can see now that all store was modified, yes, and phone 2. We could also apply this on all the registers. If we delete where and write this here, we could change all the phones to 0. This would make the change in every one of them. Let's execute. Here we have an expected error. Apparently this editor has, this is the first time I see this, has here has here in preferences a security clause. Forbid update and delete statements without a where clause. This is not normal. I suppose that the person who did this graphic editor added this clause so that if someone forgot the where, all the table wasn't deleted. I'm going to uncheck it and let's execute again. Error again. I think that's the error because it hasn't refreshed. Let's exit and let's exit from here and we come in again and try again. Okay, now we're in. Select the Edu's database and we're going to see we have let's see what we've got here. We have everything. Okay, let's execute. Everything's blue. Let's execute. And as you can see now, it has applied to all the rows because there was no where. Simple. Okay, this is enough for this tutorial. See you in the next one.